You're about to hear directly from police explaining what happened in this case, so pay attention to the details.
Before we got there, like I said in the statement, the crime scene was altered. Mr. Jackson, in his statement, indicated to us that he met her lying in a pool of blood. When these things happen, the first thing you do, you try to inform law enforcement. In this case, even if you had to rush to the hospital, the place remains like that, law enforcement come to take a look. When we got there, they had scrubbed the entire scene, not one trace of blood. Wash all the bedsheet, wash all the clothes, everything.
Samuel Jackson has now been convicted in connection with the death of his wife, and according to the police account presented during the investigation, this was not treated as an accident. Police outlined a clear sequence of events and actions that pointed to his direct involvement, and that is what led to the charges against him for causing her death. This is important because once police establish that level of responsibility and present it in court, it moves from suspicion to a legal case, and in this situation, the court agreed with that position. The defense tried to challenge it, but the evidence held. That is why we are now talking about a conviction, not a theory. He is currently in custody, and the next stage is the full enforcement of sentencing, which determines how long he will serve and the conditions attached to it. So what you are seeing here is the full process. Police investigation, charges filed, court review, conviction. But don't miss the deeper issue. Cases like this don't begin when police start speaking. They begin long before that, in silence, in patterns, in moments people overlook. So take this seriously. If something feels wrong, address it early. If you see signs, don't ignore them. If you need help, seek it before it escalates. Because once it reaches this point, the system can only confirm what happened. It cannot undo it. If this made you pause and think, don't brush past it. Keep the conversation going where you are.